Some of these logs are pretty cool. Got a little circle one down there. He'd be a nice little table, wouldn't he? But no, we need this stuff to burn. This was today's haul. Not bad. Not bad at all. That should last me, I don't know, about the rest of the week, 5 days, give or take. So, can't complain. I like that my solar light is finally working. It finally got some sunlight up there. But, yeah. What a day. The truck wasn't starting all weekend, as you know from the last video. My battery got fried and it was smoking. I've never seen that before. Like the battery's smoking out these little holes out the side, so I didn't want to mess with it. And I decided that I'd just walk. I walked about, I don't know, 4 or 5 miles until I found a neighbor that was outside. And they helped me out, got me a ride to town, got my battery, came back, threw it in the truck. She fired right up. And then I immediately went and started getting wood. So, and the snow is here, but it's not bad. So we're just trucking along. That's all you can do, right? Okay, let's take one more trip back to town because I have to do some computer related things. I gotta take one more trip back to town, which is like 12 freaking miles from the house. But had to get that wood in there because it's starting to snow right now. And just in case it gets a little too crazy. See the truck, I don't know, it's just acting weird. But check engine light's off. That melted battery is in the back now. I don't know if they're gonna take it. They said if the core is fried, they might not take it, but yeah, just hanging in there. Starting from scratch with the new cabin. I talked about it in the other video, which you guys haven't seen yet because I haven't posted that one or this one, but that's okay. We're gonna be getting into it. But it's, you know, difficult, especially by yourself, you know. So it's not like the doggies can help, which would be cool. But yeah, lost 3 days because of the truck. And it would have been nice to at least, because nothing's open on the weekend. So when I broke down, I figured it's not even worth trying to look for neighbors because nothing's open anyways. So why, you know, waste people's time asking for help if I can't use the help? But no, I'm blessed that the people down the street here were willing to at least help call for a ride. I'm gonna go over there when it's not so late at night, and I'll thank them. Really nice people. But yeah, this is definitely an adventure, and and it's only just begun, you know. So we're just gonna keep doing it, and failure's not an option. We're gonna have a really fun winter. I'm excited to show you guys. It's actually the next day now. I got a little, I don't know, carried away with my computer work, so I didn't get home till late, and then yeah, I had to do this wood. So, but I think today me and Lou, where's Lou? Oh, there she is, right there. Me and Lulu are gonna go to Tequanimon Falls and just have like a relaxing afternoon, and then we'll come back here and we'll do some work. So that'll be fun. Have a little day off. Come here, son. Have a little day of just like hanging out with the doggies and doing work and stuff. I almost forgot the drone. Okay, guys. I'll see you guys later. Look at how precious they are. Yeah, me and Lou are going up to the park, okay? I'll see you guys later. He's like, what? You ready? You ready for a car ride? Let's go. So, made it to the park. And me and Lou are gonna do a hike. I'm just reading the rules here. Cool, I can have pets. All right. We're here at the park. It's gorgeous. And me and Lou have a 2-mile round trip hike, but it's only a mile down this road. And of course it's a no drone zone. So I have the drone with me, but I'm unfortunately not gonna break the rules, although I'd like to fly it. Can't though, so let's just have a nice walk and hopefully go see the cool waterfall. Lou's on a mission right now. She's like, no, I'm not. She likes doing walks with Daddy. She's a good walking dog. She has to smell everything. I don't think we're going 25. Now we're not going at all. Come on, girl. We got a long walk ahead of us. We barely covered any ground. Let's go. Beautiful day. Beautiful light snowfall. Perfect day for this. Although I wish I had like some type of snowboard or something she could just pull me on. Maybe we'll do that when it gets more snowy. So we're about a mile in, and that is what we're looking for. Waterfalls. But yeah, it's as long as there's no wind, this is not a bad walk at all. And Lulu's just loving it so much. She's tugging on my leash, which she usually doesn't do, but she's very excited. Are you excited, Lou? Lou, are you excited? She's like, shut up and walk. Look at this. It's like a ghost town. Just empty. Pretty cool, huh, Lou? We have the park to ourselves today. Yeah, I can hear the rushing of the water. We're almost there. Lower Falls. Waterfall. I bet this place is packed in the summertime. Oh, here it is. Come on. Come on, Lewis. Come on, girl. We're almost there. It wasn't bad, just like a mile and a half. Didn't even take that long. Like 5-10 minutes. Wow. This is really, really pretty. Maybe we should walk the trail. This is like super peaceful out here. Super quiet. Please see the gift shop for boat rentals. Yeah, I'm not going down there. We're just gonna keep walking this. Come on, Lou. That's where we're going. Let's go. Come on, baby. We're doing this. We're getting our miles in today. Pretty. Very cool. back at the truck, and my phone battery is getting low, so I didn't do any more filming, but that was amazing. Just gorgeous waterfalls. It was about a 3-mile round trip hike, like 3.5 miles, give or take. We were gonna go further, but my phone was dying, so I gotta figure that out. I have this other charger, but I didn't bring it with me, but I could have. 76% I could have charged with this, and maybe I'll do that. We're gonna drive around a little bit around this park and just do some exploring still, so stick around. Me and Lou, we're walking up on the other falls now, so this should be pretty cool. Oh, here we go. I can hear it. Danger, stay within the fence. All right, guys, we're back at the cabin, me and Lou, and now we're back with the other doggies. That was awesome. That was the first time I've ever been to those waterfalls up there, and we had a great day. So tomorrow's gonna be a work day. I have a couple friends coming up north here. Oh, hang on a second. I have a couple friends coming up north to help me speed build this cabin, because there's still a lot to do. So after tomorrow, well, for you guys, it'll be a couple weeks, but after tomorrow, you'll be seeing a lot more improvements. So stick around for the series. This is going to just be an awesome process, and then we're just going to do fun stuff from there. So appreciate you watching. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment. Homestead Weekly. See you guys soon.